Hello, everybody. As a way to test my new setup of uh, the laptop has been raised, uh, I am going to show how to install Java 25, which is a long-term support version. You need to visit the Oracle website in the downloads section. The link will be on the description and choose JDK 25. And I'm going to show this for Windows as always, most of the time. And I have chosen x64 installer. Okay, now I have double clicked on the file that I have downloaded to avoid you know, waiting time, wasting your time. And then I click. Let me show you this. I know this is very slow, but bear with me. So here is PowerShell, and I am going to execute JShell. And it's not installed. JShell is part of the JDK these days. I'm going to click next, and it's going to be installed on this route. I clicked next if you didn't see anything. Clicking over here very quick. And okay, so it has finished. What it says, click next steps to access tutorials. We are not accessing the tutorials right now. Program files. Where is Java? Java. I haven't set up the home variables for Java, the Java home variables. Let us see what happens if we don't do that. Let's execute JShell again. And we have now the version 25 of the JDK, in this case, JShell, the tool JShell. And so we didn't need to, to set up this, but still let's do it because maybe you are going to use Maven or some other tool. In the past, this was necessary. So properties, advanced system settings, environment variables, and then we have empty home, which is for Maven. I'm going to add a new one, Java home. As you saw, this wasn't necessary, but if you are going to install Wi-Fi, for example, it is necessary to set up this. It is recommended. I'm not sure anymore if it is necessary these days. I'm going to take a look. And another one here for the system variables. We have one for my user. Let's add one for everybody, which is only me. Okay, Java home. I remember this many years ago that people were asking all the time about how to set up the Java home. Well, here it is in Windows. Uh, it is difficult at the beginning when you are at the very beginning of your journey, right at the beginning. It seems all of these, all of these seems very obscure. So okay, so let's enjoy it. I will upload a video on a new feature available in Java 25, which is unnamed variables. Thank you very much. Bye.